So the cap we're going to be installing today is a 13 by 6 lace cap, and as you can see, it comes with the combs and adjustable straps. The way I like to do my install is to make sure that the hairline and everything matches very well. So I already pre-cut the lace, and I like to keep my wig on my head so that I can know exactly where I want the hairline to be glued, because when you're dealing with glue, of course, you want to make sure that you don't have to take it up and redo it. My guide is the wig itself, so I always keep it on my head, leave it where I may know I want it. I'm going to take the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray and use that for the hold for the cap. So as you can see already, this wig blends really well. The lace looks really good. This is a pre-plucked hairline, of course. This is a 24-inch, so it's super long, and it is the natural color. I will have this wig linked below with a discount for you guys, so be sure to check there. And I will also put more styles just like this, but in different textures, if you are looking in the description box also, so be sure to check below. Everything will be. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the My Sticky Little Secret, and this is their skin protectant. It's going to help protect the skin and also make your glue install last longer and clean up the area that you're going to be applying the glue. Now, I like that I use the melting spray for the ball cap because it helps to melt. It doesn't leave any white residue. So I'm going to take the product and I'm just going to spray it onto a little cotton pad. Oh, it smells good too. I'm just going to wipe my forehead area, kind of dab it around, and this really smells good. Now these products will also be in the description box, so be sure to check there. I'm going to take the My Sticky Little Secret, and this is their glue, be what we're using for our install. So I'm just going to add this in sections. I'm going to start in the front section here. Notice that I'm not applying this to my actual hairline. It's going right on my skin. And I'm only going to do one layer. You can do up to 3. Just depending on the hold that you want. If you do 3 layers, you can get a 2-week hold. Now I'm going to work in sections, so I want this area to dry clear completely before I even decide to add another layer or before I work the sides. So you want it to dry until it's completely clear. Just give it time. It's not going to dry too fast and you won't be able to stick it. You want your glue to be clear. So if it takes time, just this is really not taking too much time to dry. As you can see, it's already turning clear. It's been probably 1 minute. I put a thick layer there, so I'm gonna let all these white spots dry completely down. Want to use the skin protectant, definitely, because I've tried this glue before without the skin protectant and it took longer to turn from white to clear. All these products definitely work really well together. So that is clear. As you can see, it's very clear. It's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and press this lace down just like this. And when you feel it grab the lace, then you know that it's ready. Once you can go ahead and get your edge band and make sure there's no ripples, okay? I have a lot of baby hairs going on right now. I'm gonna have to fix them. They also have their edge bands. If you don't have edge band and you need one, they have their My Sticky Little Secret edge bands. That also comes in a bundle. So I'm just gonna press this down. While we wait 10 minutes for that hairline to settle, I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten out this hair. This is a straight texture. Straight textures are so easy to deal with. You don't have to do much curling to them, and because this texture is so long, I didn't want to add too many curls, so I'm just go ahead and straighten it out a little bit so that the hair can flow right. Now, glue installs are great if you are going on vacation. I have a lot of different things planned for the summer, so I'm definitely jumping back into the glue installs a little bit more, only because glue will definitely hold you if you don't want to be installing your wig every single day. I know I don't. A vacation is supposed to be just that. By the way, if you guys haven't followed my other channel, definitely go follow. I'm going to be posting more videos over there for you guys. I will put the link in the description box, by the way. I'm mostly going to be doing like just things that I'm not doing on this channel, like vlogs, makeup, fitness, all of that good stuff. So I'll pop the channel out to you guys right here. You guys everything you get in the My Sticky Little Secret bundle. So the edge band, what I'm wearing right now. So this comes with the edge brush, and actually it comes with two bands, a black one and a pink one. The skin protectant is great for your install to make your glue and everything last. I talked about this as I was installing it. Definitely helped the glue dry a little bit faster than when I did it without it. So I definitely recommend it. Of course, you get the glue itself. So the glue looks like this. It's 1.2 fluid ounce, but you don't need a lot of it. You can layer it, of course. You also get the melting spray. This is what I'm going to be using next after I move the edge band. This helps to melt the lace. It gives a soft hold, but if you ever deal with any lace that you feel like after your glue install has not melted, this is definitely going to be what you need to further lay that lace down and make it go invisible. I use it all the time. You guys see this in every video. It's great for glueless installs. And then of course to remove it, y'all, My Sticky Little Secret is the only wig adhesive glue remover that I can use that does not irritate my skin, and it definitely works to remove very easily. That's included in the kit. You get, look at her, she's so beautiful. You get your HD ultra thin cap. It comes with 2 wig caps in here so that you can do your ball cap method. So basically they give you everything you need to. So I just took the edge band off and the hairline is looking really good. All I have to do is go ahead and clean up the hairs out of the hairline. It's the edge brush out of here that they provide. So pull the hairs out. I'm going to take the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and this is the last step. I'm going to spray that around the hairline. And you don't need a lot of it, just enough. And I'm going to blow dry on cool air for a second and then tie it back down. I'm going to take my skinny edge band, just place it on the edge of the lace because that's the only place that I'm really focused on right now. Alright, so this is what the install looked like afterwards. I think it turned out really good. I do love the fact that there is whole, like, girl, like, it's still, it's down. Of course, the only thing I don't like about glues is they do have a little bit of shine, but the hairline still look good. There's no white residue. It's clean. It's not messy. This was actually pretty easy to do. I always avoid glues because I feel like they're going to be so hard and difficult, but for the most part I feel like this turned out well. The hair again is from Super Bee Wigs. It will be linked below in the description box. 24 inches, super long, maybe a little bit longer than 24. You know, you could probably request longer, but I think that's the longest length they have available right now. And of course they have the shorter lengths available if you don't want to go this long. For the most part, this install is complete. I will have all these products below. Let me show you guys the background. If you're looking for something a little bit more exotic, I don't know, it's beautiful. I like it. And of course, there will be color options and the links in the description box if you don't want to do dark. All right, so I'm just going to give you guys this bonus. We're going to take the lace glue